People often ask me, why did you move to Mandurah? Well, who wouldn't want to live where others spend their holidays? When I first got here, I thought, this place looks like a modern Venice. So different, a piece of paradise. But every Christmas it turns into a little Las Vegas. Just amazing. Look at all those lights. In summer, I just love to be out on the water, watching dolphins or catching crabs for dinner. The estuary, the stunning beaches. I can't think of a better water playground. Dinner with a view, houseboats, floating barbecues, living fossils. It's all right in my backyard. Sometimes it feels like the whole world comes here to spend some time, especially for the Crab Fest. What a weekend that is. Yet other times it feels like we're 1,000 miles from the busy city life. No wonder people love this place. Mandurah. It just makes you feel good.